Hello, Giovanna Tucker here, and welcome to 100 Days of Today is Going to Be Awesome. Can today be awesome, or at least not suck, for 100 days in a row? Every day I'll be posting a video for 100 days to do just that. See you inside. And remember, today's going to be awesome. So how many times have you woken up in the morning and said to yourself, oh, today's going to really suck? And then you've gone about your day and it has really sucked. And maybe it's because you've come back from holiday and you've had to go back to work, or you've got a meeting you're not looking forward to that day or something, but you've woken up and you've said, oh, it's going to really suck today, and then your day has really sucked and you wish you'd never got out of bed. So how about instead you just say, when you first wake up in the morning, today is going to be awesome, and then go about your day as normal. But what will happen is little and big things will happen that will make you smile, and your day will just be great. So you need to expect to have a good day, and then you will have a good day, because there is nothing more important than today. So remember, today is going to be awesome.